Hello friends, welcome back to your channel. If you want a glowing and clear skin forever, then you have to follow a consistent routine skincare because consistency is the golden key to transforms average into excellence. But do we have this much time for our skincare? Let us make it simple and quick. Today we have got a skincare routine with less time, efforts and money for all skin types, which will give you a clear, spotless and healthy skin and will maintain glowing skin which was never before. So let us see our secrets to achieve that evergreen and timeless glow with less efforts and zero budget. Yes, you heard it correctly. We are going to use home ingredients which will be almost free of cost. So let us not waste our time. This skincare routine to be followed on daily, weekly and monthly basis. Now daily basis you need only 10 minutes. What you have to do is makeup removal before going to bed. Cleaning your face without fail before going to bed is very important. We should allow our skin to breathe by opening its pores. You may use virgin coconut oil to remove makeup and wash with the mild face wash. Or you can use homemade face wash powder by mixing gram flour and pinch of haldi. After cleaning your face, use aloe vera gel as a night cream. Aloe vera gel is enriched with various compounds which has a skin brightening effects. It will give you spotless skin. Applying it overnight has incredible benefits. It will clean your skin surface, reduce marks and inflammation. Also improve skin's elasticity. Now weekly basis, you need only 30 minutes. What you have to do is massage your face with a mixture of raw milk and pinch of haldi for 5 minutes. Then steam your face around for 5 to 10 minutes. You may add rose water in it. Then you need to scrub your face around for 5 minutes. You may use mixture of powdered sugar and honey. This will remove whiteheads and blackheads from your skin. Face pack. Now you may use any face pack which suits your skin such as multani mitti and curd and pinch of haldi, or you may replace multani mitti with the gram flour. Finally, after washing face pack, please moisturize your skin. You may use here as well aloe vera gel, the miraculous gel. Let us see monthly basis. Again, you need only 30 minutes. What you have to do is oil massage to whole body. Oil body massage will improve flexibility and bring sense of a deep relaxation in your skin. Also, it benefits to your bones and joints as well. You may use sesame oil or coconut oil for this. Then apply homemade uptan. After oiling, you need deep cleaning, which uptan gives. You may include gram flour or rice flour, multani mitti, turmeric and milk, which will clean and nourish your skin. Keep it for 10 minutes and wash it with warm water. You may take bath with the mild soap if required. And that's it. After few days only, you will find the miraculous difference in your skin. You will be surprised with the results. You will get healthy, clear and glowing skin with this consistent routine skincare. And you may say bye-bye to parlor. Just keep it in mind. Consistency is very important in skincare. For an example, for evergreen plant, you need to water and nourish regularly, right? And the moment you will stop it, after some time it will be dull and then get dry. It's the same way. We must take care of our skin regularly and we should provide always what it wants. So take care of your skin and be gorgeous. Bye bye. Thank you.